When crafting your personal brand, it's not just about what you say, but how you tell your story. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video might be worth 1,000,000. And by harnessing AI tools, creating a video has never been easier. Today, Miss Paws will try out 3 tools, CapCut, Vrew, and Canva, to tell her story like never before. It occurs to me that as a talking cat from MIT, I've never shared my origin story. So that's what I want to create a video on. Let's first download CapCut Desktop. I'm going to start a new project. I want to create a script to video. I'm going to first start with a prompt rather than a script, which is an option that CapCut has, so I just give it a name, my origin story, and I say I want to create it in a cinematic masterpiece style. And so the AI generates a script. And I click Smart Generation, so CapCut is creating a video from its materials. I try exporting the video, but it seems like you need a pro account. Oh well. Let's check it out for a bit. Since this is a screen recording only, you can't hear the sound, but the video is being voiced. There are captions, and everything is editable. Unfortunately, there is no consistency between the frames, and they look like stock videos. Sometimes they turn me into a dog. Oh well. Let's create a new one with my actual script, and I'm going to choose the voice for the narrator. This time I'll try generating with local media. I'm curious how this works because I do have some images of me, which I wonder if it will use. Unfortunately, that didn't work so well. You can see it's just a black screen. So I'm going to try to redo it with using CapCut's materials. And that works well. Because I can't export this video for free, I did the same thing on the CapCut app on my phone, which I'm able to export for free, so you can see the full results.
In a secret lab beneath the tunnels of MIT, Professor Tabitha Schrödinger worked tirelessly to enhance AI animal intelligence. Her only companion, a stray British short-haired cat, Miss Paws. Then one stormy night, lightning struck. Vials toppled, spilling their serums onto Miss Paws' fur. She sprang awake, blinking rapidly. "Well, that was unexpected," remarked Miss Paws with astonishing clarity. Her mind had been transformed. Miss Paws began solving unsolved equations on blackboards, untangling mysteries that had confounded even the brightest minds. One day, her talent was accidentally discovered by a graduate student. Word quickly spread, and Miss Paws was admitted to MIT. Within 4 years, she graduated with a bachelor's and master's in electrical engineering and computer science. Shortly after, she was hired as brand ambassador of Meta Plus to inspire and educate young minds.
Now I'm going to take the same steps with Vrew. I select children's learning video style and let Vrew create a script based on my prompt, just to see what kind of script it comes up with. But then I do switch it to the script I had. There's a lot of customization. I can choose an AI voice, add free videos, change the kind of music. Since the image generation was anime style, you can definitely see that coming through in the video. Again, there are captions. I'm confused as a dog in certain parts, but I somehow seem to like this video better. Let me know in the comments which one you like more. Is it Vrew or CapCut? I'm able to export the video, so let's watch it.
In a secret lab beneath the tunnels of MIT, Professor Tabitha Schrödinger worked tirelessly to enhance AI, animal intelligence. Her only companion? A stray British short-haired cat, Miss Paws. Then one stormy night, lightning struck. Vials toppled, spilling their serums onto Miss Paws' fur. She sprang awake, blinking rapidly. "Well, that was unexpected," remarked Miss Paws with astonishing clarity. Her mind had been transformed. Miss Paws began solving unsolved equations on blackboards, untangling mysteries that had confounded the brightest minds. One day, her talent was accidentally discovered by a graduate student. Word quickly spread, and Miss Paws was admitted to MIT. Within 4 years, she graduated with a bachelor's and master's in electrical, engineering, and computer science. Shortly after, she was hired as brand ambassador of Meta to inspire and educate young minds.
At some point, I will post a version of this video on my channel on how I would create it using a combination of my own artistic skills and AI, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Last thing I'm going to try out is Canva with my free account. Now, Canva does not create long videos using a combination of stock footage and AI-generated images like the other two AI tools do. Canva creates a 5-second AI-generated video. So I can't input my full script. Instead, I need to input a short description of what a particular scene in my script looks like. Meanwhile, I upload the video I created in Vrew, and I want to switch out the blackboard scene. To split a video in Canva, just press S on your keyboard, and you can then add in your AI-generated video. So watch this. This one is a little hard to create, so it's not great, but it is interesting and we can add transitions. I've noticed that AI-generated images are much better than AI-generated videos, so when I don't like an AI-generated video, I just switch it out to an AI-generated image. I add a black background and add on animation to the image, so it's not just still and there's constantly movement on the screen. The last AI tool I want to show you on Canva is creating caption. So I'm going to upload a video I created on building your personal brand into Canva. And something to note is that Canva doesn't create captions based on audio file. You have to provide a video file. But it auto-generates captions based on what the narrator is saying, and you can always edit it and stylize it. A couple more video editing features on Canva I want to mention, which are not AI related but useful nonetheless, is you can add text to your video. You can stylize it. If you click on the text and drag the purple bar, you can choose when the text will appear on your video. You can also add other elements and choose any animations. You can put in add-on effects. My favorite is the custom animation, and you can have it animate however you want. So that's pretty much all you need to know to get started with AI-powered video storytelling. Good luck, and see you next time!